Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off the tile of the person speaking will automatically become larger during group FaceTime calls on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on FaceTime. Next, in FaceTime settings, go down and tap on speaking. So tap on the switch speaking to turn it on or turn it off. Now I said that during group FaceTime calls, the tile of the person speaking will automatically become larger, and that will make them stand out, and you can clearly see that they are currently talking. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up at the bottom of the screen to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.